As we step into 2025, the world of survival gear and gadgets continues to evolve, blending cutting-edge technology with innovative designs to meet the demands of adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist or a weekend warrior, having the right tools can make all the difference in a challenging situation. From multifunctional tools that streamline your pack to high-tech devices that keep you connected in the wild, this year's selection showcases a range of gear that combines practicality with impressive features. Let's gear up and get ready for adventure. LcFun Electric Lighter. The LcFun Electric Lighter is an essential survival gadget priced at just $9. Its IP56 waterproof rating ensures reliability in wet conditions, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Rechargeable via USB-C in just 1.5 hours, it delivers over 28 ignitions on a single charge, eliminating the need for gas. The included paracord lanyard features an emergency whistle, adding to its utility. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry. This durable, efficient lighter is perfect for camping, hiking, or any survival situation. Taser StrikeLight 2. The Taser StrikeLight 2 is a standout self-defense gadget priced at $170. Combining a powerful 700 lumen flashlight with a stun gun, it offers dual functionality for personal safety. Its crenellated bezel provides added defense in close encounters, while the loud stun arc warning acts as an effective deterrent. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 5 hours and capable of delivering 100 stun cycles, this device is both practical and versatile. Ideal for walks, travel, or keeping in your car, it ensures peace of mind wherever you go. Hunting Knife Set. The hunting knife set is a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts at an affordable price of $40. This versatile pack includes a gut hook skinner, caping knife, and bone saw, all designed for efficiency and ease of use. The yellow camo handles not only look great, but provide a non-slip grip, enhancing control in challenging conditions. Made from durable 7Ki17 MAV steel and rigorously heat-treated, these blades promise longevity. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to carry on your belt, ensuring you're always prepared. Highly recommended. Sportsman. The Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw, priced at $20, is an essential survival tool with a 48-teeth bi-directional chain that cuts through wood quickly and efficiently. Made from high-carbon heat-treated steel, it handles everything from small branches to large limbs with ease. The rugged handles, resharpenable blades, and heavy-duty construction make it a durable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Complete with a storage pouch and fire starter, this portable chainsaw is perfect for bushcraft, hiking, or any wilderness adventure. Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. The Zippo Emergency Fire Kit, priced at $11, is a reliable survival tool featuring a flint spark wheel for quick ignition. It includes 5 lightweight paraffin wax-coated cotton tinder that ignite easily and burn for up to 5 minutes. The ergonomic textured design ensures a secure grip, while the water-resistant floating case with a lanyard hole makes it easy to carry. Ideal for camping and emergency use, this kit provides dependable fire starting in any weather conditions. Nitecore MH40s. The Nitecore MH40S, priced for quality, is a powerhouse flashlight with a 1,500 lumen output and a throw of over 1640 yards, making it ideal for hunting, patrol, or outdoor activities. Its USB-C fast charging port provides up to 105 hours of runtime. The flashlight includes a versatile remote pressure pad for easy operation with various mounting options. Built tough with a scratch-resistant lens, HA3 grade finish, and IP68 waterproof rating, it's designed for heavy-duty all-weather performance. GREYL GeoPress 24. The GREYL GeoPress 24, priced at $99, is an exceptional water purifier perfect for outdoor adventures, global travel, and survival situations. It effectively removes all pathogens including viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, while filtering particulates, VOCs, PFAS, and heavy metals. With a simple fill, press, and drink method, it purifies 24 ounces of water quickly, without the need for pumps, batteries, or chemicals. Durable and user-friendly, the GeoPress is a must-have for ensuring safe drinking water anywhere. Zune Lotoo. The Zune Lotoo camping shovel, priced at $190, is a versatile survival tool designed for extreme environments. Crafted from martensitic steel with a 60 hardness rating, it withstands corrosion and extreme temperatures. Its unique design features a recurved shovel with a 14 cm inner axe blade, effortlessly cutting through bushes and large wood. The shovel's 7-key angle lock patent allows quick transformations for shoveling, chopping, sawing, and more. Compact and portable, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and off-roading. EDC Pry Bar Multitool. The EDC Pry Bar Multitool, priced at $39, is a compact and versatile gadget perfect for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Its heavy-duty design combines essential tools like a pry bar, wrenches, bottle opener, and box opener into a sleek, robust body. Featuring a bi-directional ratchet screwdriver with stored flathead and crosshead bits, it handles quick fixes easily. The built-in magnetic pen is durable, fireproof, waterproof, and smash-proof, ensuring reliable use anywhere. A perfect multi-tool for tackling a variety of tasks. NOAA Multifunction Weather Radio. The NOAA Multifunction Weather Radio, priced at $39, is an essential tool for emergencies like power outages, hurricanes, or earthquakes. It features AM, FM, and weather radio bands, a 120 lumen LED flashlight, and an SOS siren, providing crucial assistance during disasters. The radio offers multiple power options, including a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, hand crank, solar panel, AAA batteries, or USB. It also doubles as a backup power bank for charging devices, making it a reliable survival gadget for any situation. WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers Tool. The WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers Tool, priced at $38, is an essential survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts. This hand auger makes building emergency shelters and primitive structures effortless. Designed for bushcraft, camping, and hiking, the 1-inch Scotch eyewood auger drill bit allows you to create perfect holes using a simple stick for leverage. The tool also features a peg maker for crafting wooden pegs. Compact and durable, it comes with a leather sheath, making it a reliable addition to any bushcraft backpack. GoTimeGear Life Tent. The GoTimeGear Life Tent, priced at $15, is a compact and essential survival shelter for 2 people. Made from tear-resistant PET mylar, it reflects 90% of body heat, keeping you warm and dry in harsh weather. Weighing just 8.7 ounces, this waterproof and windproof tent packs down small, making it ideal for any survival kit. Quick to set up and versatile, it doubles as an emergency sleeping bag. The included 120 decibel whistle and paracord add crucial survival features, making it a reliable addition to any emergency gear. BeaverCraft BSH2 Bushcraft. The BeaverCraft BSH2 Bushcraft knife, priced at $15, is a reliable full-tank survival tool perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Its sturdy razor-sharp carbon steel blade excels in various tasks like wood cutting, tent peg making, and food prep, making it an essential for camping and bushcraft activities. The knife comes with a genuine leather sheath for easy transportation, ensuring safe storage. Whether hiking, camping, or facing an emergency, this durable and versatile tool is an excellent companion for wilderness survival and everyday outdoor tasks. Winnerwell Fire Pit. The Winnerwell Fire Pit, priced at $99, is a superb outdoor companion crafted from 304 stainless steel, ensuring high corrosion resistance for durability in harsh environments. Its compact dimensions, 16.5 by 16.5 by 8.9 inches when assembled, and flat folding design make it highly portable, easily fitting into your gear for camping trips. This fire pit is perfect for containment while enjoying a campfire, allowing you to experience the outdoors responsibly with a leave no trace approach. A must-have for any camping enthusiast. Surviveware Survival Fire Starter. The Surviveware Survival Fire Starter, priced at $15, is a robust and reliable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. With a thicker magnesium ferro rod, it provides up to 12,000 strikes, allowing for multiple attempts without worrying about wear. The long rod ensures maximum spark generation with minimal effort, crucial in emergencies. It features a functional emergency whistle for attracting attention and a paracord handle, with countless uses in survival situations. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency kits, this fire starter is a must-have for any adventurer. Emergency Glow Sticks. The emergency glow sticks, priced at $10, are an essential tool for any outdoor adventure or emergency kit. These ultra-bright glow sticks provide 360 degrees illumination for up to 12 hours, making them visible from a mile away. Ideal for camping, fishing, or boating, their waterproof and non-toxic design ensures durability and safety. With a long shelf life and easy storage, they're perfect for emergency preparedness. Their robust construction prevents leaks and breakage, making them a reliable choice for any survivalist. TACAMO Emergency Fire Kit. The TACAMO Emergency Fire Kit, priced at $70, is an exceptional all-in-one solution for survival enthusiasts. It includes a high-quality ferro rod, carbon steel striker, and various tinder options, ensuring reliable fire starting in any weather. The kit features weatherproof components and is enhanced with a 5x folding magnifying glass and 10x Fresnel lens for sunny days. Housed in a durable waterproof pouch that doubles as a container, this veteran-designed kit is perfect for camping, bushcraft, or emergency preparedness. Truly a must-have for outdoor adventures. VIKTOS Wartorn. The VIKTOS Wartorn gloves, priced at $45, offer a robust blend of protection and functionality for a variety of activities. Designed in the US, these gloves feature reinforced thumb valleys and fourchettes to withstand wear during use. Their touchscreen compatibility and silicone printing enhance dexterity and grip, making them practical for tactical scenarios. The integrated loop knuckle pads allow for personalization with more alphabet letters, adding a unique touch. With a 1-year warranty on workmanship, these gloves are a reliable choice for any adventurer. TRSCIND Kit. The TRSCIND 14-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit, priced at $29, is an ideal gift for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Compact and lightweight, it features essentials like a wire saw, emergency blanket, flintstone scraper, flashlight, and compass, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or hunting. The waterproof, shockproof design ensures durability, while its size allows easy storage in a car or backpack. This versatile kit is a thoughtful choice for anyone, from dads to Boy Scouts, looking to enhance their survival gear. Outdoor Vitals Downtop Quilt. The Outdoor Vitals Downtop Quilt, priced at $2.99, is a game changer for campers and backpackers. Its versatile pad strap allows use in both ground and hammock setups, ensuring warmth in any environment. Made with premium treated down and ultra-lightweight tendy fabric, it balances warmth and weight beautifully, boasting a hybrid baffling design for optimal insulation. Compressible and compact, it fits snugly in your pack, making it an essential piece of gear for those who value both comfort and convenience on outdoor adventures. Sustain Supply. The Sustain Supply 72-hour survival kit is a comprehensive emergency solution priced competitively. Ideal for disaster preparedness, it includes everything 2 people need to survive the critical first 3 days. The kit features 12 servings of Wise Company food, Aqualitas water pouches, water filtration straws, and essential survival gear like blankets, fire starters, and an LED lantern. With high-quality items packed in a durable backpack, it's perfect for home, car, or outdoor adventures, ensuring you're ready for any emergency. Ocoopa H01 PD Pro. The Ocoopa H01 PD Pro hand warmers are a game changer for winter activities, priced at $42. With triple resistance, water, dust, and crack, these durable, rechargeable hand warmers are built to last. They feature 3 adjustable heat levels, 95 degree off to 131 degree, and dual warming sides for maximum comfort. The impressive 10,000 mAh battery provides up to 15 hours of warmth, making it ideal for long outdoor excursions. Plus, with Quick Charge 3.0, you can recharge quickly, even powering your phone on the go. A must-have for cold weather. Sensmart TK421. The Sensmart TK421 thermal monocular, priced at $1,199, is an exceptional tool for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 400 by 300 resolution sensor and a 50 Hz refresh rate, it delivers stunning thermal imaging in all lighting conditions. With a zoom range of 1.7 by 6.8x and an IP66 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand the elements. The device includes a rangefinder, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to capture high-quality images and videos. A must-have for hunting and surveillance. CamJam XT Large Cord Tightener. The CamJam XT Large Cord Tightener, priced at $10, is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. With a working load limit of 280 pounds and brake strength of 837 pounds, it handles various rope sizes from 2 to 5 millimeters. Made of durable cast aluminum, the carabiner and cam mechanism ensure reliable performance. Its knot-free design simplifies setup, making it perfect for camping or hiking. Whether securing gear or creating a makeshift shelter, the CamJam XT is a versatile and dependable companion. Emerkite's Kevlar Braided String. The Emerkite's Kevlar Braided String, priced at $30, is an exceptional choice for outdoor and survival enthusiasts. Made from 100% Kevlar yarns, it offers impressive strength ranging from 100 lb to 2000 lb, depending on the thickness. Its braided construction prevents unraveling and enhances durability, making it ideal for various applications, including crafting and shock lines. Flame resistant up to 800 DGF, it excels in high temperature environments. With its abrasion resistance and versatility, this Kevlar cord is a reliable companion for any adventure. Sidekick. The Leatherman Sidekick, priced at $70, is a fantastic multi-tool that combines versatility and convenience in a pocket-friendly design. With 14 tools, including knives, pliers, screwdrivers, and a saw, it tackles various projects effortlessly. The one-hand access feature allows for quick deployment, while the ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip during use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, whether in a sheath or pocket. Backed by a 25-year warranty, the Sidekick is a reliable companion for any adventure or task. The Ultimate Survive Anything. The Ultimate Survive Anything, priced at $35, is an essential guide for anyone looking to enhance their survival skills. With 101 illustrations and 67 life-saving skills, it covers everything from emergency tactics to first aid techniques like CPR and wound care. The waterproof format ensures durability during disasters, making it a reliable resource in any situation. The inclusion of gear checklists and mental tips for crisis management adds great value. This comprehensive handbook is not only informative, but also makes an excellent gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Our Emergency Kai. The Our Emergency Kit, priced at $36, is a comprehensive disaster preparedness solution for 2 people for 72 hours. It includes a 33-piece first aid kit for minor injuries, ensuring you're ready for medical emergencies. With survival food bars, water pouches, and emergency blankets, it covers essential needs during crises. Additionally, it features 2 safety light sticks for visibility in the dark. Compact and easy to store, this kit is perfect for cars, homes, and outdoor adventures, making it a smart investment for safety. Gerber Gear Impromptu. The Gerber Gear Impromptu Tactical Pen, priced competitively, is an excellent addition to any survival kit or everyday carry. Its durable machined steel body features a tempered steel glass breaker tip, making it both practical and robust. The Write in the Rain ink cartridge ensures reliable writing in all conditions. Lightweight at just 2.4 ounces and compact at 5.59 inch, it easily fits in your pocket. Ideal for campers, tradesmen, and outdoor enthusiasts, this pen combines utility with a sleek design, backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty. Badlands Vario 33. The Badlands Vario 33 is an exceptional modular hunting pack that offers versatility and durability. Priced at $125, this 3,300 CI bag can be customized with various frame options and accessories, making it perfect for both light hunters and those embarking on multi-day trips. Its clever design features, like a detachable rifle, bow boot, and multiple compression straps, enhance usability. The KX050 fabric is a standout. Lightweight, yet tough, waterproof and quiet. With easy access zippers and a spacious design, it's a must-have for serious outdoor enthusiasts.